Welcome everyone to our channel, Easy English World, and in a new episode of our podcast to learn English in a simple and easy way. I am Rami with you. Today, we are pleased to be with you in a special episode where we will talk about an important topic we use in our daily lives, which is introducing oneself. In this episode, we will learn how to greet others, how to start a conversation with confidence, and then how to introduce ourselves in a clear and simple way. Stay with us, listen carefully, and try to repeat the sentences with us step by step. So, the topics covered in this episode are: first, personal identity and upbringing; second, educational and professional journey; third, family and surrounding environment; fourth, lifestyle. Let's begin with the first of these topics, Sammy, and then Maya.
First, personal identity and upbringing.
Hello. I am very happy to talk to you today to introduce myself to you fully and accurately. First, my name is Sami. I am from the state of Kuwait, and therefore I hold Kuwaiti citizenship. As for my age, I recently celebrated my birthday, and I am now 28 years old. Regarding my place of residence, I live in a very crowded city, which is the capital, Kuwait. I do not live in an apartment. Instead, I live in an independent family house consisting of 2 floors. The most beautiful thing about my home is that I have a small garden in front of the house door. What about you, Maya?
Hello, friends. My name is Maya. I am from Green, Malaysia, and I am very proud to be Malaysian. I am 25 years old. As for my current residence, I chose to live in a very quiet town located near the beach. I live in a modern and tidy apartment located on the 3rd floor. The most distinctive feature of my home is the small balcony overlooking the main street, where I spend my time reading and watching the sunset.
Second, educational and professional journey.
My journey began when I was a small child in primary school. I was a hard-working student, and mathematics was my favorite subject. After that, I moved to high school, and there my passion for building things began to grow. Indeed, I entered university and chose my major, civil engineering. Now I am very proud of my current profession, as I work as a civil engineer in a major construction company. I am very happy because I am practicing the profession I studied and loved with all my heart.
I will now tell you about my journey with education and work. My relationship with learning began in primary school, where I was a quiet child who loved art class more than anything else. When I moved to university, I chose my major, which was fine arts and graphic design. Now I am practicing the profession I love, working as a graphic designer in a global advertising agency. I never feel bored because every day brings a new idea and a different challenge.
Third, family and surrounding environment.
We are a medium-sized family, but we are very close. I have one brother and two sisters. My father works as a doctor, and my mother works as a teacher, and they are my role models in life. We have an additional important member, a pet, which is a very beautiful little cat. I'm responsible for feeding her, and this time gives me a sense of comfort and happiness.
My family is very warm. I have a brother and a sister, and I consider myself lucky to have them in my life. My father works as an engineer, while my mother is a creative lady working as a fashion designer. In a small corner of our apartment lives my favorite little friend, a beautiful and quiet rabbit. His presence taught me the meaning of responsibility and kindness.
Fourth, lifestyle.
Regarding food, I love traditional meals, and my favorite food is pizza. My favorite color is blue because it gives me a sense of calm. In my spare time, I practice running in the early morning and spend my evenings reading. As for things I don't like, I hate loud noise and long waiting.
If you ask me about my favorite food, I will immediately say Italian pasta. My favorite color is bright green. I spend my free time oil painting and taking long walks on the beach. Of course, there are things I don't like. I don't like waking up very early, and I can't stand lying.
In conclusion of our episode, we extend our heartfelt thanks to our guests who shared their lifestyle with us. We are also pleased to learn about your lifestyle as well by writing it below in the comments. Don't forget that learning requires practice. Try to re-listen to the episode and repeat the sentences out loud. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. We will meet you in a new episode. Goodbye.